Me personally want to run away from this madhouse this morning. Them pick me up.
Meet the Mitchell family.
But wait, is that big baby this?
Yes, big baby.
Oh my. Ivy is a big baby.
Ivy.
Hi baby
Hi,
baby.
baby Ivy.
Oh my.
Big baby.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Currently making breakfast for the kids. Don't have anything planned for today. It's a lovely Sunday. Let's see how it goes. What's for breakfast today? We are making pancakes. Oh dear. Can't film and flip pancake at all. Oh dear. Oi. Jesus. See ya now. Oh my God. See ya now. Can't flip pancake and cook. I won't even try to flip the eggs. But see them in there.
Hello. Hi, Mama. Hi. Bike. Yeah. Hi, Boozy. Where you get matching iPad from? Huh? Your iPad match your clothes though. That's bossy. What?
It was so much fun being a helper hero. And
Okay.
The electricians are here.
Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, they're here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Azzy, what are you doing?
Beer trouble them again today.
Beer trouble.
Beer trouble.
Mama says beer trouble, Yagi. Eh? Where I push the box for?
I'm not giving any trouble.
Leave it.
They have robotics today.
Okay.
Oh, big man of robotics.
Yeah.
Wow. Is this for the next big event?
I think so. Well, the next big event is in June. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, and that would be so you guys can go to Turkey.
Yeah, if we qualify, we can go to Turkey.
Wow. Turkey. I hear Turkey is very cool, Jax.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, how cool is cool?
Very cool. Like I hear the food and the people are just very nice.
Great.
Yeah.
So, Turkey is basically just Jamaica, but somewhere else.
Yeah. Jamaica in Europe.
Yeah.
well, good.
So from yesterday, we've been having a little issue with a slight fluctuation in power, like a little surge that happens every couple minutes or so. And it's been causing a problem. Obviously, we definitely want that to be stable. Something budud up. Wait for budud up. And we're just trying to get the issue sorted. So the gentlemen have been here from morning working on it. So, you know, that I go on and what I go on. Again, we always making a note say, owning a home comes with its fair share of weekly issues and things to maintain. I just saw it go, whether you maintain the garden, whether you maintain the plumbing, the roof, there is something that will come up. So you have to make sure there's contingency there when you buy a house or thinking of buying a house. Make sure you have a contingency plan for the things that will come up. I'm not discouraging anybody, but I'm just saying, keep it in mind. You understand? Yeah.
She does? I knew it. I knew it. Ow. That's a bit better, yeah.
That's fine.
You still got one inch of the
Anything you want,
TV.
you can watch a little TV while they get your massage. Lay down and make that massage. See? Let's see. You know, she says I'm house.
Mad.
So high. So
I can't mother.
that would have been a great.
Me Personally, want to run away from this mad house this morning. Them pick me up. It's like them just set for mad me today.
That me, Mom.
I see you.
I'm a gorilla, Mom.
Okay.
This is what happens when you take them off of them device. They're going to try and find different ways to entertain themselves. And we just have to take whichever poison you prefer.
Says the guy who slept in today. Ladies, I know you feel me on that one. Daddies can say anything they want to say. It's we them are mad. We. So yeah.
You're not too big to sit down with your daddy, you know.
Not too big at all. Yum.
Yum.
You know you need water so much, and when you drink water, it tastes like the best thing on planet Earth. Cause it basically is.
It is.
But
Water is like the staff of life. How much percent of the human body is water?
I forgot.
I think it's a lot. I think it's like more than 70%.
Yeah, it is.
It's crazy, right? What happened? What happened? Ice? You never know, say you're cute. You never know, say you're cute.
Alright guys, we just dropped Jax off to go do his robotics. He does, he's like we said, he's gearing up for competition that they're hoping to qualify to go to Turkey. Atlas and I are about to go to the supermarket quickly because I am out of eggs and other things. Yesterday was a really great day because my cousins Mel and Wendy are in town, and Mel brought her girls, and I had them over yesterday for the whole entire day, which was so lovely. And
We went to get Candy Crush,
yeah.
ice cream, Indian food, and patties.
Okay, there you go. We had a lot going on yesterday, so that was really fun, and it was really great seeing them and hanging out. And family is super important to us, as you know, but we as the older cousins know how important the cousin relationship is, and so it's really nice when we get the cousins together, even if it's not all the cousins. But when we get to see all the cousins together, it really like warms our heart, because we remember when we were little what it meant for us to be cousins and get a chance to be together, and more importantly what it means as adults to have the support of our cousins, which are like our extended siblings, you know. So we know the beauty and the depth of the relationship, so it's really nice to be able to help to foster that. I also want to go and look at some paint samples today at some point, because we have a big week coming up ahead and we're hoping to start painting this week. So we are gonna possibly go do that.
Guys, we've made some big progress.
Progress. Good choice of words. Yeah, we are making a lot of progress, and this week we're going to see a lot of things come together. I think we're in the home stretch now, so that's really great. I think seeing the windows and doors going was a big deal, and now to finish up all of the tiling and to smooth off all the walls and to, you know, sand and all that stuff, you're gonna see everything come together very quickly. All right, ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's do it.
Say hi. Oh, such a great help.
Yeah.
Such a great help. I never knew you went with mommy.
All right, I came back from the supermarket, dropped it off, and now we are on our way to go and look at some paint options. So let's see what we can find. Looking for something light and bright but warm. Is that too much to ask for? I don't think so.
Light and bright, but not white.
Light and bright, not white, but warm. Come with me.
Kind of in that range, huh?
I'll take all of them and we can look at them and say, which one is too
We
green?
can take those?
Yeah.
That bird.
Wow, this natural linen is pretty. You don't have a thing there.
Not at the moment, but I'm working on it. Because the color stock studio for that is so wide, I wouldn't have any space here, so that's how we got the do one.
I wish you could mix like small things to go home and like
Yeah, we moved through like years ago, but I'm not sure why they stopped it. The smallest we do is just chores.
I really like it. This is very hard. Yeah, you go relax. Let Peter do it. You go relax.
Peter, you plant them cane, eh?
No, I'm saying peel it.
Or you bag them and sort them out.
Peel it
So that
on
means
here.
you know say them sweet. Alright, you know sell me no samphire.
We were telling MTM how the cousins came by yesterday and how we had Indian food, and we're having Indian food, well, leftover Indian for lunch.
So you showed them
today.
that lovely picture with the kids taking the picture.
I did, yes,
video?
yes.
Talking of people visiting and family, Mommy is having a grand time in England with her family, the self-proclaimed favorite son, her daughter-in-law, Robin, her granddaughter, and her brand new grandson, who is very cute and handsome. So I think Mommy have a little update. So she go up on a walk with her son. So let's check this out. Mommy, out and about in London town.
Yes, and I'm out for my walk this evening. It's rather chilly. It's very cool out, but I'm managing okay. I'm keeping my exercise program going to keep fit and to keep the weight off because I'm eating like going out of style.
We're just looking at the colors now and trying to see. I like this one.
So that's the one that you actually took a
Took
sample
a mix of, yeah. This one is too yellowy.
Yeah.
This is too brown. This is too grey. So I like these two. I may even go a shade lighter. But I'm trying to imagine it against like the white accents, you know? So I want it to just kind of, but this, I don't know. We'll see. It's hard to tell from a small square.
Yeah. Jack,
Yeah?
remember how I told you that Ivy loved plum, right? Mm-hmm. Alright, watch this, okay? Make sure you tape it to me.
What?
Juice are fly everywhere. How Ivy stay and chew up his skin? Chew it up first before you jump up.
She love it. She love it so much that she needs to
Made a mistake.
Must be a yummy plum. The plum makes you go yum yum yum. Man,
Wow. Yeah, man. I like that.
yeah.
What is this called?
It's a what do you call that now? Abdominal exercise.
No.
Push-ups now. Yes. Oh, good form. Yeah, man. Watch out on there on this side. Follow everything where you see her brother. Watch out. Watch out. No man, she'll go on herself.
Oh my bro. This is how you do. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Careful, man, it bust your lip. Stungy, you wake up? Are you still okay? Alright, Naji.
I'm tired still though.
Long time you sleep, my youth. You must alright now, my youth.
Can I have some popcorn to give me
Trying to wake
get
you up.
my energy, because every time I walk I feel like I'm gonna drop down.
You never know if the popcorn have electrolytes in it. Tami, you're up out of hibernation.
Fell asleep.
Ratted. That's how wicked I fell asleep, Tami.
I can't believe these guys are so quiet that I actually could sleep.
Little mouse, I come check your post.
Hi, Ivy.
I tried to come check on you.
You did? What happened?
You're sure sleeping? Ow. Ow, mommy. Ow. No, don't do that.
Something, are you okay?
Should I eat popcorn and marshmallow?
What little girl, you're not.
Ow! My guy.
All she want to hear is, oh, you know, and she doing it
I
again.
did jump on my toes.
Can I have a kiss?
Saving your snow from you.
Please. And you don't sleepy, Ivy? Careful.
Oh no, she don't sleep. You giving massage? Down, she said. Watch her.
Oh, she gone?
She give you a massage. And said put down your head.
My head was up like this. She said, no, down.
A drama.
It was a fairly good massage though, while it lasted.
While it lasted.
Ivy.
Okay. No man, she's strict. Is a strict masseuse this?
Oh yes.
Yes, Ivy. Yeah, man. Yes, my girl. See the man.
Yes, Ivy.
She want to close all your eye too. Okay, relax. Relaxation. Sort him out, yeah. You know, all me I think about is when me turn big man, and me can say, Ivy, come give your father a back rub. Or come rub your father's foot. She look like she got have it knocking up. No, I'm very excited of the prospects of the future. Seriously.
No, one blue. It says one blue. That's right. So let's do the blue first. Okay? Atlas, I really want you to sound it out and say the words to me while you're writing them down, please.
Environment.
Very good. What's the first word?
Transform.
Very good. Next word.
Garden.
Nice, Atlas.
Keep going, Ozzy.
And
Good
look at
job.
this.
Look at this, Dad. Look at Ozzy doing a good job, too.
Awesome.
Where's your homework, Ivy?
We don't even have a corner.
No. Atlas, finish up your work, please.
Mom, look at my diamond. Mom, look at my diamond.
Oh, I love it. There's a finger puppet.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's Ivy's homework.